tiger shark with a tuna stuck in his mouth. Oh, dear goodness. Imagine what that tuna's worth. And is the tuna...
Looks like a bluefin tuna.
Wow.
Really expensive.
I guess he can't...
Huge fish.
He can't...
It's like there's something stuck in my teeth.
He can't make up his mind. Does he have a way of spitting it out at this point? Like, can he revert?
Yeah, like, are they capable of throwing up? Is that what you're saying?
They could, yeah.
Is there a movement to go forward instead of in?
Mm-hmm. I don't know. But I like Will's.
Yeah.
So is that tuna
Needs a toothpick.
at that moment dead? Like, or is he just going for a ride?
I think it's dead because tunas are like really strong, right?
Very.
And wouldn't it be putting a bit of a fight?
How about the person capturing this moment?
Yeah.
You already got to be down there.
Yeah.
What are the chances?
And you're chilling while sharks are eating tunas?
Top comment, that tuna is just wearing the shark as a disguise. Another top comment, a tuna in shark's clothing. Yeah, it's a great place to hide. You don't want to be eaten by a shark. Hide inside of another shark.
Right.
Crazy. Yeah.